Hi everyone, I'm Hannah Harris, and today I'm going to share another teaching tip for Violin Tutor Pro with you all. So today's topic is how to make an Irish jig sound like an Irish jig. When you see a jig in sheet music, you'll notice that they're in triple meter, so 6/8, 9/8, 12/8 typically, and they're comprised of triplets mostly. So da 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 da. A regular jig is in 6/8 time. So I'm going to play one of those for you now. This is the Irish Jig. It's a very well-known Irish tune. And as with my last video, I'm going to play it through twice. The first time I'll play it as though I were reading it directly off the page in the sheet music, and the second time I'll play it more like you'll hear in a traditional Irish setting. See if you can spot the difference. So there's two things you could do here. The first is don't play the triplets through completely straight. You want to go for a more of a dotted rhythmic feel. So like something like that. You can go through the tune and actually do something like this. You could play just play a dotted rhythm on the G here, just to get the feel for the tune, and just play it how you will. I mean, keep going through. Until you get more of the dotted feel. Now you don't actually want it to be straight dotted rhythm, so you don't want to do that, it'll sound a little silly. So make it more of a subtle dotted rhythm, if that makes any sense. Another thing you can do is accent the downbeat. I tend to have a stronger down bow when I do that, but I'm not always on a down bow on the downbeat. So try to just accent it a little bit. So. That was a little exaggerated on my part, but if I can play the tune right. So with that, you don't want to jolt anyone, you just want to give it a little push and pull. So try to make sure that the downbeat is clear, and also try to add in those dotted rhythms. And hopefully that'll get you started in making your jig sound more like a traditional Irish jig. Thanks all for watching.